This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever located on the passenger side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety catch, raise the bonnet upwards and support it with the rod. Fold out the locking lever from the battery negative terminal clamp and disconnect the negative lead. Secure the cable to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Release the cold air intake tube from the grommet. Release the clamp and disconnect the air outlet hose. Undo the retaining bolts. And manoeuvre the air cleaner assembly from place. Undo the bolt securing the wiring harness duct to the camshaft housing. Disconnect the wiring plug from the absolute pressure sensor and from the individual coils. Undo the bolt and pull the relevant coil upwards from the spark plug location. It is advisable to remove the dirt from the spark plug recesses using a clean brush, vacuum cleaner or compressed air before removing the plugs to prevent dirt from dropping into the cylinders. Unscrew the plugs using a spark plug spanner, suitable box spanner or a deep socket and extension bar. Keep the socket aligned with the spark plug. If it is forcibly moved to one side, the ceramic insulator may be broken off. As each plug is removed, examine them, which could give a good indication of the condition of the engine. Note that the electrode gap on the recommended spark plugs is preset and requires no adjustment. Before fitting the spark plugs, check that the threaded connector sleeves are tight and that the plug exterior surfaces and threads are clean. It is very often difficult to insert spark plugs into their holes without cross-threading them. To avoid this possibility, fit a short length of 8mm internal diameter rubber hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross-thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage to the cylinder head. Remove the rubber hose, if used, and tighten the plugs to 18 Nm using the spark plug socket and a torque wrench. Refit the remaining spark plugs in the same manner. Refit the coils onto the plugs and tighten the coil retaining bolts securely. Connect the wiring plugs to the individual coils and absolute pressure sensor. Secure the retaining clips on the wiring plugs. Refit the bolt securing the wiring harness duct onto the camshaft housing, tightening it securely. Refit the air cleaner assembly to its mounting and reconnect the air outlet hose. Refit the cold air intake tube mounting back into the grommet. Secure the air outlet hose clamp and tighten the air cleaner mounting bolts securely. Connect the lead to the negative battery terminal and fold in the locking lever, securing the cable firmly onto the post.